Hey boys and girls, welcome back to another edition of Crush Lusher Television. Alright, here we go. Mental math, no calculator allowed. See if you can get it. We're going to start off easy and increase in difficulty as we go. Alright, here we go. The sum of two numbers is 5. Their difference is 3. What are the two numbers? I add up to 5. I subtract them and I get 3. What are they? You know, write them down. You got it? I got it. 4 and 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 minus 1 is 3. Alright. Round 2. Let's see if you can get it. The sum of two numbers is 12. Their difference is 4. What are the two numbers? See if you can get it. No calculator. You got it? 8 and 4. 8 plus 4 is 12, and 8 minus 4 is 4. Alright. Next round, round 3. See if you can hang. The sum of two numbers is 48, and the difference is 24, my favorite number. What are the two numbers? I don't really know. Let's hold that thought. I don't know. I have no idea. These numbers are too big. I can't do it in my head. There ought to be some other way to do it. I don't know. And particularly this one on the bottom. Look at this. 3 times one number added to another number is 18. Twice the first number minus the other number is 12. Find the number. I can't. What is this? What? This is too hard right now. I need to find a way to do it. I need to find a way to do it. We're going to come back to this one. So, the way to do it is to get the magic pair. Magic pair. And I'm going to show you a magic pair right now. So you see these right here? Whoop. This system of equations, how you know it's a system? Because it has two equations. And you need a system to solve a system of equations, because if you just had two variables like this, x and y, you don't know the answer to that. What? X can be 5, y can be 5, because 5 plus 5 is 10, right? X can be 6, y can be 4, x can be 10, y can be 0, and I can go on forever. X can be 100, and y can be negative 90, etc. All equal 10. So I need to find a systems of equations. So I need systems of equations to solve, because I can't solve anything with two variables. So look at number 7, magic pair. See the magic pair right there? Positive y and negative y. That's a magic pair. That's going to help me solve this, because I can't solve with one equation. I need to solve with two, and a magic pair. Do you see another magic pair? Yeah, I do. Negative t and positive t right there. Oh, I see one right here. Negative 4x and 4x. Circle the other ones you see on the page right now. Go. Pause the video. Oh, we back? Alright, here we go. Whoop, right here. I see one on 15, 3x and negative 3x. Nope, I don't see one there. Yes, I see one here. Negative 3y and 3y. And oop, right here on 16, we have 5t and negative 5t. Alright, so those are what we had. So, let's solve one of these, shall we? Let's see what we mean. Look at number 10 right there. Write this in your notebook. Copy this down. We're going to solve it as it is, okay? So I got a magic pair, whoop, right here. Got a good magic pair. So I can solve it. So negative 4x plus 2y equals 8. 4x minus 3y equals negative 10. Okay. You need to solve. So magic pair. Why is it so good? It means I can add. So magic pair means I can add. So let's add these two up. 4x plus, sorry, negative 4x plus 4x is whoop, nothing. 0x. Goodbye. Alright. 2y plus negative 3y is negative 1y. Hello. 8 plus negative 10 is negative 2. Awesome. I have one variable left. I love one variable. Eliminate the x, so I have one variable. So easy now. So my answer is y equals 2. Got it. Not quite done yet. So I have y. I also need the x. So in order to do that, I need to plug in wherever I want on either equation. It doesn't matter. Let's do the first one. Why? Because it's the first one. I just chose it. It doesn't matter. So, oh, be careful because I'm plugging in for y. So it's negative 4x plus 2. Now instead of the y, what's going in there? Oh yeah, 2. Equals 8. Got it. So Solve for x, one variable. I love one variable. It's so easy to solve. Minus 4 on both sides. Whoop. Negative 4x equals 4. Divide by negative 4. X equals negative 1. There we go. So my solution would be negative 1 for the x and 2 for the y. There you go. So that works. How do I know it works? Well, look at this. So you can log on to Desmos right here and see here are the two equations I plugged in right here and here. And you see right there, bam. Negative 1, 2, that's where they intersect, just what we did yesterday. So if you want to graph them, you can do that too. So there's many ways to solve these systems of equations. Love it. All right, let's do another one, shall we? No problemo. Let's do, oh, so many choices. Let's do number 9. Why number 9? I don't know, I feel like it. Here we go. So, rewriting it in your notebook. 3m minus 2n equals 13. M plus 2n equals 7. Got my magic pair. Got my magic pair. Feeling good about it. That means I add. Magic pair there, I add. Negative 2n plus 2n, 0n, goodbye. 3m plus m is 4m. And 13 plus 7 is 20. I love the one variable. Now I can solve. Divide by 4, divide by 4. M equals a 5. Got it. All right, so let's plug in to one of these equations, doesn't matter. Let's plug it into the second one. Why? Because it's all positives. That's easy to work with. I don't have to mess with any negatives. So m is 5, right? So 5 for m plus 2n equals 7. Subtract 5. 2n equals 2. So n equals 1. There you go. M is 5, n is 1. We got it. No problem. Okay, let's now go to this. All right, so we have some problems here. Look at number 1 right here. The answer's got to be in here. What I want you to do is pause the video and see if you can get this one, okay? Pause the video, see if you can get this one. And then unpause it, press play, and I'll do it for you, and you can check your answer against mine. Ready, steady, go. All right, we're back. We're back from pausing, no problem. Negative 4x minus 2y equals negative 12, and 4x plus 8y equals negative 24. Whoop, magic pair right here. Thank you very much. I think I'll just add them up. Goodbye. Negative 2y and 8y is 6y. Negative 12 plus negative 24 is negative 36. Divide by 6. Y equals negative 6. All right, we're looking good. Now I got to plug back in. Be very careful. Let's do this one. I don't know. I chose it. If you chose the top one, you should get the same answer. So I have 4x. Remember, I'm plugging in for y, so that goes right there. Plus 8 times negative 6 equals negative 24. 4x plus negative 48, or minus 48, same thing, is negative 24. Add 48. Add 48. And I got 4x equals, 24, my favorite number. 4 times 6 is 24. Got it. So x is 6, and y is negative 6. So I have, whoop, right there. Got it. Check it. Boom. Got it. So what I want you to do from now on is look at number 2. Look at number 3. Do all these, and then check your answers up here. Okay? You can do it. After that, we're going to go over how to do word problems. Ready? Practice these first. Set. Go.